Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guarantee RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you the Jayco 2020 195 RB. So one of my favorite products. Jayco comes with a 2-year factory warranty. So one of the nice things about the Jayco is going to be a lightweight trailer. Your dry weight's 3,050 pounds. It is a wood framed metal sided coach. Potable water is going to go right there. Your power cord, cable satellite input. So this is going to be a Baja edition. So what that means, it's going to have a flipped axle and a Goodyear tire that's going to be a little bit bigger than some of the competitors. City water connection, gray water and black water, everything's real compact. Here's your full-size spare tire. So on the outside, you're going to notice it's got pretty much a full-length power awning with LED lighting. Also going to have outside speakers, so when you're underneath the awning listening to some music and being in the shade, you can really enjoy your time. One thing we're going to notice, it's going to have a RV queen back here, room for 2 people to sleep. It's going to have a Simmons mattress and then storage underneath the bed as well. A little bit more storage up above, some wardrobe space, a couple of things to set a book or a magazine on with plug-ins. And the nice thing about this, it's got a front window that'll open up to bring some light in as well. When it does get dark, you are going to have LED lighting all the way through. Dinette where you're going to be able to sit down for breakfast or dinner. Prep area, Dometic fridge, storage underneath the sink for pots and pans. 2-burner stove, microwave, and then the AC unit centralized. Here's going to be your bathroom, toilet, shower, and it's got a little toilet roll holder right there, convenient spot. And then over here, we're going to have our pantry space, places you're going to be able to put macaroni, popcorn, things like that. And then right behind us, we're going to have a closet. So this is where we're going to be able to fit a lot of our coats, shoes, camping gear, and such. The nice thing about this unit, it's really compact. So you're gonna be able to get off grid, kind of go anywhere you want, get underneath that power awning, enjoy the nice day. And if you have any other questions on this 2020 Jayco 195 RB, call Brandon Reagan at Guarantee RV 541-214-0223. Have a great day. Thank you.